Hello and welcome to the first course in our electronics specialization. We often hear the phrase electronics is everywhere, and we see around us that electronic items have become an indispensable part of our lives. Constantly, the technology is being improved, giving birth to groundbreaking inventions. We must ask ourselves what electronics aims to achieve and what can we contribute further. It is essential that we have a deeper and complete grasp of this field if we wish to progress further than the thousands of students with us all over the world. The biggest application of electronics on an abstract level is to include more and better functions in electrical systems while also reducing their physical size, if necessary. This field puts into application various ideas of physics that help us harness the immense power of nature for our benefit.